And welcome to this video. My name is Hayden Davison. You're watching FBA TV. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. We're going to talk about VA pools in this video. I think this is something that people don't utilise enough, and I think that it's people are missing out. So depending on what selling strategy you do, if that's online arbitrage, right, or retail arbitrage, wholesale, whatever you want to do, if you utilise VA pools, then you can make a massive, significant difference to your business, the amount of deals that you get. So what is a VA pool, for those that don't know? So a VA pool is a accumulation of multiple virtual assistants that sellers put together. They create systems, they create spreadsheets, they create Google Drives, etc. And then what's happening is your VAs, could be 2, could be 3, could be 4, could be 5 or more. I wouldn't recommend more than about 4, probably. What happens then is that you can then go ahead and actually share your deals. So when you share your deals, it means that you no longer, who's this guy? It means that you no longer have to just get the deals from one VA each day, so just 10 deals a day. It's rare that a VA will actually find 10 good deals, by the way. But you won't just get 10 deals. Let's say they do get 10 deals. You'll get 30 deals or 40 deals. And then you can share deals. So that's what a VA pool is. And they're quite easy maintenance because it's a bit of a no-brainer. Once you've set up a few spreadsheets, they just share them all into the same one. And then what you want to do is go ahead and create a WhatsApp group or a Slack group or something like that for the sellers that are involved in the pool. Then create a separate WhatsApp or Slack group, whatever you want to do, for all the members of the pool, including the VAs, so that you can communicate with each other. And it's quite simple. And then the next step that I would say is, look, so that's what a VA pool is, but how do you actually go about finding the right members for the pool? Because obviously you're sharing your deals, you're trusting these people with your deals, obviously they're going to find out the name of your business probably as well eventually. So there's got to be a level of trust there. You've got to trust also that they've got a good VA. You've got to trust that you can work with these people and they're reliable because you don't want to waste your time. So what I would say is start networking. I mean, look at FBA TV, the Facebook group. Just about to launch a free Discord group as well. Jump in there. People in the YouTube comments here. Other Facebook groups, other communities. Who do you speak to on a regular basis? Who are sort of reasonably reputable people in your space that you just keep seeing their name pop up over and over again? They seem like a nice person. You get on with them. Ask them. There's loads of people out there that would be interested in it because it's a no-brainer. It doesn't cost any extra money. The only thing you've got to be aware of is that some deals to look out for in a VA pool, they're not going to have enough sales for you. Hey all, just want to do a quick message about my sponsor. So Awesome is now sponsoring this YouTube channel. Very, very grateful for that. Awesome is an accounting and bookkeeping service. They take the stress out of my accounting. So they literally take all of my accounting for me. They do it all. It's completely hands-off. So I literally have to do nothing apart from check the VAT returns each quarter. Now look, if you want to check them out, they've got a live chat 24/7, etc. as well. If you want to check them out, I've got 2 months free link below for free accounting. And that is all. Let's carry on with the video. To jump on. So there's got to be an average amount of sales, but this is a great way for you to utilize multiple virtual assistants at once with no extra cost from you. And I would highly recommend it. I'm in one at the moment, which we started up a few months ago. I was in one in the past, so this is the second one that I'm in. One of the members is one of the same members from my last VA pool because we've got that sort of trust with each other. And also, in our last VA pool, there was just 3 of us. And that worked quite nicely, just to have the 3 of us. So, if you haven't already, go ahead and get a VA pool. I would say it works for online arbitrage, retail arbitrage, and wholesale. Could work for other things as well. Probably not so much private label, obviously, because that's a completely different thing. But yeah, get creative. Go and get a VA pool. Find people that you can trust, which is the most important thing. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.